Hey guys, it's Cassie and this is my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be making slime. You can also use this as a tutorial on how to make slime if you want to. If you want to know what this kit is, it's Nickelodeon slime, what's in the box kit. So yeah. So first you're going to need a bowl, a mixing tool, and you don't really need a measuring cup, but I have it anyway. And you're going to need a container to hold your slime in. So I am going to start with, and then you need glue and an activator. And then you can have glitter and paint as optional. So first, I'm going to start with clear glue.
If this even has any.
Okay, this one's empty. I'm gonna grab the other clear glue. Give me 1 second. You first will put in the glue. As much as you want, as big as your slime wants to be. And then once you put in the glue, then you're obviously gonna start putting in the glitter and the paint. So, if I'm using this spoon, I would do 2 of these. So I'm going to use blue. So if I can get this open, then I will grab it and pour 2 spoons. And then some more. And that's probably good. And then I'm gonna mix it up. I think I want a little bit more color though, so I'm gonna add in a little bit more. So here's what it's looking like, if you can't see it from all the way over here. And then I'm gonna put in the glitter, which I think I want this pink glitter to go kind of with the blue, not really, but yeah. This is why I have my handy scissors. And so, I'm pour a lot in. That's a lot. I have glue on my fingers. Then mix. It's looking purple because of all the glitter I added. So, I'm gonna get a close-up on the slime right now. It's looking pretty good. I think that's good for my slime. For this slime. I might make more, I don't know yet. And then, so now I have to put in the activator. Where's the activator? This is more glue. This is the activator. So what you want to do is you want to pour in a little bit and then you want to mix. Okay, don't pour in a lot at a time or else it'll get stiff. Eventually you're going to have to move in with your hands, but then, so you see how much I'm putting? You can barely see it. So every time I'm putting about that much. And then I'm mixing. which your hands will get messy if you're trying to make slime. So, and then once it's getting into a consistency where it's kind of getting hard to mix, then you're gonna wanna go in with your hands, unless it's not like good enough. So I'm just gonna put a lot in there. And then you're gonna wanna go in with your hands, which is where it starts to get a little bit messy. So you're gonna try to grab all the slime bits, and you're gonna play around with it. So, it's not exactly slime yet, still sticky and mushy, but then you just wanna keep mixing it in, playing with it in your hands, and you gotta make sure you got enough activator too, or else it won't be too good. If you didn't get enough activator and then you start mixing it in, it'll be kind of way stickier than this, but yeah. So you're gonna wanna keep mixing until it starts to get into a consistency, like kind of not really sticky, but like still kind of wet. And you wanna mush all the pieces together. If there's any other pieces in your bowl, you wanna try to get it all out so that you have the most slime you can get. I dropped some. And then after you have like all your slime mixed up together, if it's like, so this is what it's looking like. It's pretty good. But if you're not happy with your slime and you think, well, if you think that maybe it's a little too stiff, then you're gonna wanna add more glue. Only a little bit more glue. And then mix it in. Like, if you can't see, there's glue on there. But, and then you're gonna wanna mix that in with the slime. And it might make your slime a little bit better. So yeah. And then this is how my first slime turned out. I'm going to be making one more. So I'm going to grab another bowl because I'm making another one. Then I'm going to put more glue. And put a lot of glue this time. And then, so I'm going to use purple. If I can get it open. I'm going to use purple. And I'm not really going to measure this time because it's not really. I'm just going to tap on it. Not very much coming out. If you can see the color, there's like a blob of color in there. No, the pen can't fall. Okay, I think that's good enough. If it's not, maybe I'll add some pink or something. But I choose purple. And so I'm going to mix that up. As you can see, it's looking kind of pink right now. But I for sure picked purple. Maybe I'll use some of the other purple. It's not really too purple, but I mean, it's kind of bad coloring, but whatever, I'll try it. Except I'm gonna make sure it's good. Okay, it's not bad. It's kind of like reddish, but it kind of is looking pink, but whatever, pink's fine. Okay, this is what it looks like without any glitter or anything like that. Now we're done with the paints. Okay, now obviously I'm gonna put in glitter. I think I'm gonna add 2 glitters this time. So if there's a silver glitter here, there's a white glitter, that's close enough, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna put in some white glitter. Mountains of it. Barely any glitter left in here, but this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to add, first let's mix it up and see what it looks like actually. This is what it's looking like. Not too great, not too bad. Now I'm just gonna add basically all this glitter. Oof. Spilled glitter all over the mat, but that's fine, that's why the mat is there. And now I'm making it look like purple again. So, the other one looks like purple too. Maybe we'll add some more dye. I'm gonna add more pink dye so that it doesn't look the same as the last one. It's a lot. Probably good. Mix. So, what this has is some, here, I'm gonna walk closer to the camera. It has some blue glitter, some white glitter, and it has pink coloring and purple coloring. So, yeah, that looks pretty different from the other one, which is just purple. Which it kind of feels like Putty, but I'm fine with Putty. I like Putty. So, this is one. Anyway, now we should put in the activator. So, or maybe I'll put in some pink glitter. Yeah, let's put in pink glitter. Why not? Okay, that's good. And this is what it's looking like. If you can see, you can't really see all the glitters in the camera, but there's a lot in there for sure. Now I'm going to add the activator. And if you wanted to see any of the ingredients, I will show those at the end. For any of the slime glues, you can pause the video. But I'm doing the same thing as last time. Mixing it up slowly. Well, not slowly, but adding the glue in slowly. And then I'm going to go in with my hands a little earlier this time because with farther experience, if you go in earlier, then you can actually know when to stop and it won't turn into putty or something, which is really mushy right now and sticky. So I'm going to just add activator to it on your hands. So if you got it stick on your hands like that and you're mixing it in, then you can just stretch it out on your hands like that and then put the activator on top. And eventually you'll need to go in with both hands and it's starting to turn into slime. So then you can just like get the stickiness off. And really you don't need any kits, you just need any glue, which if you have like sparkly glitter glue, it'll be sparkly glitter. So any glue of your choice and any activator, which if you want to, you can search up slime activators online and pick which activator will work the best for you. So anyway, I'm going to scrape off all the other slime. So really I didn't need too much activator. You never need that much activator. So don't just be like, if it's not working, don't just dump a bunch of activator in. Then it'll turn into putty. Now, I'm liking this one better than the last one. But, yeah, there's still some stuck on my hands. But this is the finished product. It stretches. It pops. And then this is the finished product for the purple one. It's a little bit more like, not great, but yeah. I'm gonna try putting in some lotion because that's a material that not all slimes, some slimes use, and it's pretty great. So I'm gonna go get some lotion right over there. And now I'm going to put it in to here first. Don't use a lot at first. That's about good. And then kind of mix it in. Your hands will get lotiony too. And it'll look at this, like this at first. But you need to keep mixing and keep mixing. Take about 2 minutes, maybe about 2 minutes sometimes to mix in. I'm not really sure, but yeah. This necessarily won't make your slime more stretchy unless you have unless you know it does. But I like to put lotion in my slime. It just makes it feel different, and I like the way it makes it feel, So this is the finished product. Stretches, well, not really, it doesn't really stretch, but it's kind of like putty. And if you're not happy with how your slime turns out, don't just throw it in the trash. You can put it into a balloon, make a stress ball, and anything like that. And I like this slime really good, like the way it is. Look, you can make this stretchy. So I'm gonna leave this way, the way it is. So anyway, these are the 2 finished products. So I hope you liked the video. Bye.